Good evening. I'd like to thank you all for coming to this press conference. I have a prepared statement that I will be reading, and I will take no questions at the end. Thank you. On Saturday, August 25th, I posted on YouTube to the St. John AV Productions channel a video that was filmed on Friday, August 24th. In that video, I made an error that I feel, that I feel very horribly about, and I'd like to make amends for that now. In the video, I referred to St. John High School principal, Mr. Blaine White, by the name of Blaine Yee White. I apologize for the extra E in your name, Mr. White, and I hope this does not ruin our relationship. My family and I have been through a lot in this time, and we ask that you respect our privacy in dealing with this matter. To Mr. White and his family, I did not mean to offend you in any way with the extra E. I will do a better job in the future of spell checking and making sure, I'm sorry, and making sure that everyone's name is spelled correctly going forward. Thank you for your time, and goodbye.